Okay, it's arrived, the Samsung Galaxy Ring. Let's get it unboxed and set up right now. Okay, so it's the 31st of July today and the ring came. So I ordered it on pre-order day, which I forget when it was now. The ring sizing kit came, I'll show a little clip of that. You got the different rings that you could try on, the different plastic rings to get your size. I went for size 12, I think it was, hopefully, fingers crossed. So it's come today. The order did say it'd come on the 2nd of August, or from the 2nd of August. But it's come 31st of July. I got a notification this morning from DPD saying they were dropping it off, and today they dropped it off. So a really quick video just to unbox it, get it set up with a phone, see what it's like, first impressions, and then we'll do kind of maybe a 2-week kind of usage video just to see how we get along with it. So we'll jump down onto the desk, get it unboxed, and then we'll take it from there. Okay, so down onto the desk, got this camera here, so we'll just do a couple of camera view at it, just get it all looked at and set up. So let's get this box open first of all. Okay. So we've got the box there, you've got the symbol, the ring symbol kind of on the front. I'll just hold it there, you can see that on this camera. Let's get it open. So, as reviewed on other people's videos, comes in this proper smart box. I thought from the other videos I saw, let me hold it up to this camera as well. It would be a little bit really cheap, plasticky looking, but it's not, it's proper solid. It lights up as well. Proper solid case, that is, it is actually a charging case as well. So it's got the USB-C port that to this camera on the back of it there, hopefully you can see. But that is, it's a hard plastic. I thought it'd be like a really thin plastic, but that's really, really smart to be fair. Other things in the box, let's just check it out really quickly. A little accessory box by the looks of it. It's got a single USB Type-C to USB Type-C cable. Obviously that charges in the back of the charging case to charge the case up. Anything else? Any stickers? Would like some stickers? No. Quick start guide, warranty card, and a warranty card. That is everything in the box. Everything. That's everything. Okay, so what we'll do, I'm going to go for it. I'm probably just going to go into the Wearable app on my mobile phone. I will record the phone at the same time, and then we'll just try and step through it just without reading the instructions. Let's see if we can do it. So we'll jump over to the phone now. I'll record all angles as well, so you've got it all going on, and we'll get it set up. Okay, before we keep the recording off, I thought what I'd do is just to show you, is just plug this into a charger. So I've got a battery charger pack here, just to see what happens. So it's charging up now, and you've got the funky light on the front. It did light up once then, to indicate charging. So it's plugged in for now, we'll just carry on from there. So let's get the mobile phone. I've got a Samsung S24 Ultra, so I'm a true Samsung fanboy. So let's screen record as well, just so I can show you what's going on. Okay, so we're screen recording now. So all I'm going to do, I'm not even going to do anything. I'm just going to keep the home screen open, and I'm going to open the case and see what happens. So see if it detects, see if the phone detects it. Straight away, it detected it there on the phone. So I'm going to click connect. Downloading software, so obviously downloading the software for the ring itself. So hopefully this is pretty quick, so I can kind of show you real time. It's a 95 megabyte update. So it looks proper smart there, if you see on that camera there all lit up. That's a really cool tool, I like that case a lot. Let's just agree to everything. Allow access for the ring. Just allow. Allow. We're just assigning my life away. Let's allow everything. Get ready to connect now. Might take a few seconds, it says. So graphically, that looks really, really good. Check your body's battery levels. This is all the features built into the Samsung Ring, Galaxy Ring now. So it's just going to go through all that information probably. Understand the sleep for yeah. So we'll go through all this detail at some other points. We've got targets. I have them anyway built into the Samsung Health app already. Get alerts for low heart rate or high heart rate. Predict your menstrual cycle. Not really relevant to me, but that's good to know. How to wear your ring. So there's an embossment element on the ring, which you wear closest to your hand. So we'll go through there. So let it finish up. It says it'll take a few seconds. We're all set. So that's good. I can show you that in real time. As you can see, a couple of minutes, if that, and it detected it on the phone automatically. I guess it probably wouldn't do that on any other Android phone other than a Samsung one, but I'm not so sure. So, moment of truth, will the ring fit? So, at the moment I've got a So Plus health ring on. I've done a video on that up here somewhere. I've done a few videos on some smart rings. I'll link to that up here somewhere. So let's take that one off and try this one on. Okay, so let me show you the camera first if I can. Maybe this one might be a little bit better. Is it going to focus on it? Struggling for focus state. Oh yeah, I'll get some close-ups from a different camera, but just wanted to show you that. So let's try it on. Okay, yeah, that's a good fit. So on there you can see it's a titanium one I've gone for, the silver one. Compared to that So Plus ring, it's huge, that one, quite a big ring. I can't even tell it's there, to be fair. Even compared to my actual previous wedding ring that I lost. So this is good. I'm gonna wear this on my wedding ring finger instead of a wedding ring. So this is my new wedding ring, basically. Okay, so we'll go through the phone application, obviously the Samsung Health application or the Wearable application. Just skip through that a little bit to show some of the stuff in there. First of all, it's really light. The titanium is really light colour. My previous ring were quite dark. This is quite light, and it sounds really weird, but it actually feels light on my hand, I think, because I've been wearing that bigger ring. But it feels like nothing on my finger, to be honest with you. It's a perfect fit, and they are really exactly the same basically as the testers they sent. So that's great. It feels good so far. So on here, you've got energy score, sleep, and heart rate. Let me just click on heart rate. Let's see if it'll do a live heart rate. Okay, so just click through these here. Overall health, sleep. Okay, so you can only choose one of them. For me, it's overall health, so I'll select that. Hopefully, that gives you a bit of everything. Let's agree to that. Settings, let's allow permissions for the Samsung Health. Okay, so I'm going to measure the heart rate now live on there now. Now, at the moment, it is really warm. I can just see, actually, let me try and show you. There's a couple of lights flashing away under there. I think you can just about see that under there. The green heart rate light is flicking away. So, let me make sure I've got that positioned right. Yeah, you can kind of see it glowing green on my finger. So we've got a heart rate at the moment. It is really warm. I'm really warm and I'm really excited with the ring. So my heart rate's a bit higher. As you can see, my average resting rate is lower than that because I use the Samsung watch as well, the Watch Pro 5. So it's got previous stuff from me there. So let's save that. So that's heart rate, pretty basic stuff. Energy score. It's synchronizing at the moment from my watch and my ring. So obviously you've got everything there in the Samsung Health application in terms of the health stuff, the health tracking. The actual management of the ring is done in the Wear application, so we'll jump into that one there. So the energy score, ring software update, let's have a look. I assume this will be up to date because we've just done it. Up to date, yeah. But you can do software management from there as well. About the ring, information in there, case information, serial number, stuff like that, the model number. Find my ring. So you can use this, obviously, similar to the other Samsung device things you can do. You can use it to, let's click through these permissions. Okay, so if you want to find the ring, there's a blink light thing there. So if it's hidden or underneath something, you can see it flashing away there, which is quite cool. So let's just stop that and go back. Obviously, it's not got a speaker or anything built into it, so there's nothing audible you can do from there, which is a shame, I guess. You could put a little speaker in there. One of the things I did call out on an earlier video we did was maybe having some kind of vibration, some haptic feedback, but I'm not sure they built that in, to be fair, either. So we've got that. That's Find My Device. So you can see all my other things, other devices I've got there as well. Health settings. So everything in there is all related to Samsung Health anyway. So you've obviously, this is very specific to you and your kind of daily routines, things like that. So yeah, I'm not going to go through all those settings, but that is there. And that kind of is it, really, I think, by the looks of it, in terms of the actual ring itself. It's all set up, it's updated, it's been done in less than 10 minutes. I've done it kind of real time on this video. Okay, that's kind of it, really. I think we're done. The ring's all set up. It's had its software upgrade, obviously, through the application. Really easy to do. I really like the case. So at the moment you can see that flashing away. It's obviously charging the case at the moment. It's almost fully charged. I think the biggest surprise is the case. I thought, looking at the pictures and the videos I've seen of it, I thought it'd be really like, I don't know, really like cheap plastic. Obviously it's still plastic, but it's just got something about it. It's quite rigid, it's quite thick, quite chunky, but obviously you can use it quite easily on the side, maybe a bedside table or in a drawer to charge the ring. But obviously get tons of battery life out of this anyway. So I've not covered many of the specifications. It wasn't really about that, just an unboxing setup just to show you how easy it is to do. What I'm going to do, I'm going to use it for the next few days. Anything I find settings wise, any little quirks, anything like that that are bad or good or indifferent, I will cover in a future video. But this literally was really quick unboxing, first impressions. First impression is really, really good. There's been no issues there using it on my wedding ring finger. I think the ideal finger to use it on is your forefinger for things like the pinch, but we'll see how we get on with that. I'm not going to cover that in this video. So I will wear this a couple of weeks now, back with a future video just to kind of give my 2 week, maybe 3 week, 2 or 3 week review. Okay, all done there now with the Samsung Galaxy Ring, titanium, size 12, all come, all fitted, all looking really, really good. If you've liked the video, found it informative, please give it a thumbs up, give it a like. If not for any reason, give it a thumbs down, give it a dislike. Any questions about the ring, anything else about on the video, anything else at all, please drop it in the comment section. I'll reply to all questions and comments. And if you want to follow the Houston DIY channel for a future video on the Samsung Ring, other product and tech reviews, home DIY projects, giveaways and much, much more, hit that subscribe button and I will see you on the next one.